Today I'm making it's really delicious. It's almonds and it's sweet, and I haven't found a name for it yet. So I guess the most fitting thing would be it's great for breakfast or for dessert. I'm gonna start by sprouting some almonds. For this I need raw almonds, and the packaging says raw, but I don't know how much you can, trust that. So let's just keep our fingers crossed. First things first, we're gonna put the almonds in a jar with water. They sell sprouting tops for mason jars, but I don't have one of those. I'm improvising one with insect netting.
How wholesome. We're making a cruelty-free I don't know what's happening.
Cruelty-free recipe.
And throwing in a DIY. Cute.
So this is the next day, and we're gonna wash those almonds out. I brought in a bowl, but I decided that, having a bunch of dirty water in shot isn't gonna look very nice, so I'm dumping the water out off screen. And by dumping it out, I mean I'm gonna use it later for watering the plants. After soaking, I'm gonna let them sprout. For this, I'm using a cake tin so that the jar can stand on the sides, so all the excess water can run out. After 2 days, you can see little white tops on the top of the almonds. That means they've sprouted. Lucky us. After sprouting, we're gonna skin those almonds. After spending time in the water, it should be really easy to get off the skin. Actually, probably the bigger problem is, stopping the almond flinging across the room. Now we're almost ready to make our unnamed bread spread. For this, we're gonna need 200 grams of skinned almonds, 100 grams of cashews that have soaked in water for about 3 or 4 hours, 100 grams of coconut sugar, some vanilla essence, and some salt. I'm gonna get up my kitchen machine now for the last step in our free recipe. Why does it keep doing that? It's really weird. Maybe I should Google it a little bit. Huh. Wow. Bad for the planet? Vulnerable to what? Huh. I wonder why there's a picture of a child in this article. Oh, it's child labor. A rehab facility on an article about cashews? What could oh God. Oh no. Blood cashews. That's evocative. Oh God, that looks miserable. Oh no. So you put the almonds in the food processor, and then you the button until it's done, and that's how you make the thing. Okay, the point of this is not to say that you shouldn't eat almonds, because that wouldn't change anything. Because frankly, personal choice isn't going to change a whole lot in the world. What I'm saying is that if you're a person who cares about cruelty and suffering and wants to minimize both of those, you're going to have to become political.